Hi guys, today I'll have a quick test of the return to home feature on the Mavic Mini. The test will be very simple. I'll just fly around in different directions and then press the return to home button and see how the drone does. I'll consider a pass test or a good result if the drone gets within arm reach of the takeoff point. On this time I did on purpose went really low, so then you can see how the drone first raises to the return to home altitude. In this case it was 40 meters and then it will return home. Sorry, my friend just sent me a message, don't mind him. So this feature is very useful in a couple situations. I would normally bring the drone back myself, but I can imagine if for some reason the controller will lose battery or will stop working, or the phone would freeze on me, it would be good to know that it will be able to return to the takeoff point. That being said, I would think that even like if it would come to within 10 meters of the takeoff point, I would be already happy with it, because that would mean that I would see the drone and I'll be able to retrieve it. I think this day was a perfect day for this kind of test, considering there was no wind, no clouds, and a lot of satellites, so the GPS signal was very strong. In this part my son was trying to fly the drone, so that's why it's going so slowly. He's very scared of using it. I guess he got traumatized for when I crashed the drone in the forest. The drone was getting out of battery, but I still want to test one thing more and I'll try to show you here. The thing is, if the drone is not more than 20 meters away from the takeoff point, it will not return home when you press the button, it will just land automatically. This is important to have in consideration when you're using it. Anyway, this was the video today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have different opinions, if you have a different experience, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.